Hey, this is for a YouTube channel, Japan Explorer. How long have you been to Okinawa?
I've been in Okinawa like 2 years.
2 years. And you work here?
Yes, I do.
Oh, sorry. Can you tell your name first?
Doro. Doro.
And you?
Aiko.
Aiko-san.
はい。
出身は沖縄ですか？
はい。
すごい。So, can you tell about your jobs?
So I am a Marine actually. A Marine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I do like I work on the Osprey, like electrical engineer kind of.
Right. And then so you worked that job in Okinawa, or you?
Yes, for 2 years since 2019. I think, yeah, 2019.
2019. So what did you study?
Just like basic electrician stuff, pretty much.
All right.
For about a year, and then they sent me to Okinawa.
Okay, cool. How about you? 何を勉強しましたか？
勉強 What kind of study?
Study 大学とか何？
Nurse.
Oh,
I
nurse.
went to nursing high school.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you work as a nurse now?
Yeah, hospital.
Hospital.
Yeah.
Cool. Nice music, yeah.
Yeah, that's actually my song.
Is your song?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, 'cause that's like one of my hobbies, I guess.
Oh, nice. Oh. It's really cool.
Thank you.
So you play music too?
Yeah. I don't play music, but I just do like the singing and rapping and stuff.
Singing. For how long?
I started singing, I want to say, maybe a year before I came to Okinawa.
So it's like 3 years.
Yeah.
Cool.
But I sucked my first year.
Well, it's really cool.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Oh, nice. And how did you start music, singing?
So actually, I was one of my friends used to make like beats. He played like the drums and stuff. And he used to make beats on his laptop. And he would invite me over to like judge his beats, tell him if they were good or bad. And then eventually he asked me to like make a song to one of them. And then I did it, and then all of a sudden everybody was like, "Oh my God, it's so good!" So it's like, okay, I guess I'll start doing that then.
Oh, cool.
Then pretty soon everybody told me, "Yeah, you should start rapping and stuff. You'd probably be."
So now you are doing it as a job too, or something?
I'm trying to.
Trying to, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. It's cool. And do you have something to play now? Do you play to only singing, or play to any music instruments?
I used to play the guitar, but it was really hard, so I kind of gave up.
Oh, you gave up? Only singing?
Yeah.
How about you? 何を音楽
Used to play any like instruments?
All right.
He's my backup singer. So.
And how about do you guys watch anime?
I love anime actually.
Yeah?
Yes.
Every day.
What is your favorite anime?
So, all-time favorite, I'm gonna have to say Bleach.
Bleach.
Love Ichigo. But right now, my favorite is Jujutsu Kaisen.
What is it?
Jujutsu Kaisen.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's new. So
It's new. Okay. Okay. Cool.
it's only got like 1 season.
All right. How about you?
I don't like anime.
You don't like anime? Really? That's surprising. Everybody thinks Japanese love anime, everybody. But no, I've seen some Japanese, they don't really want. How about game? Any game you play?
You ever heard of No Man's Sky?
No.
It's like a space game. You
Space
can,
game.
Yeah, like fly around to different planets and stuff.
Oh,
That's what I've been playing recently.
okay.
I think it's fun. I love it.
Cool. You play game?
Not really.
Not really. What's your hobby?
Basketball.
Basketball. Cool.
Yeah.
How long?
Play basketball.
You play together?
Oh yeah. I play.
Nice. So you play at home together every day?
Sometimes we play at what's it, Raha Beach,
Okay.
and then like I'll take her on base sometimes, so I'll play with my friends and stuff.
Oh, sounds cool.
She's actually better than me.
Really? Wow. Amazing. So, any specific song that you wanna sing now, or you wanna just?
Yeah, I got one I can like.
Actually, what is the title of this music now is playing?
This one is called On the Low. On the Low.
On the Low.
Yeah, it's like the new one I just came out with.
Oh, nice.
I like
So,
this one.
you like this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds good.
So you listen every day to this song?
When I go to work, I listen to his song.
Really? Wow,
His,
that's
I love his voice.
amazing.
Yeah. So it's called On the Low right there.
Ah,
It's on SoundCloud. Pretty sure YouTube too.
okay.
And
If you want, you can
Spotify.
show your page if you want. Like,
Oh, yeah.
if you have an Instagram or
yeah,
something.
this is my Instagram right here. Anubis _official. __
Alright.
_
I think I got it.
Follow me.
Okay.
If you want
Alright.
the SoundCloud too, actually. It's right there.
It's your SoundCloud. All right, I got it. Thank you. And yeah, do you, by the way, do you sing any anime song, or you said you love anime?
Sing any anime songs? I can't sing it because I don't know Japanese that well, but I think my favorite one right now is what's the anime? Demon Slayer. I like the
Demon Slayer.
opening to that one.
Oh,
Yeah, I can't sing it, but
okay. All right, thank you very much, guys. It was
problem.
really fun.
appreciate it.
And anything you want to say at the end of the?
Go follow me on Instagram, Nubis _ and yeah, that's it. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
It was really nice. Okay, have a
Yeah,
nice
have a
day.
good day.
Bye
Bye bye.
bye. Bye.